Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Reshoeven8r shoe cleaner kit. Suede is probably one of the most essential tools for any sneakerhead or fashion-conscious individual looking to maintain the pristine condition of their suede footwear, offering a comprehensive solution to tackle dirt, stains, and scuffs that inevitably accumulate with regular wear, ensuring your favorite kicks always look their absolute best and retain their value over time. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Tired of scuffs and stains ruining your favorite shoes? Introducing a revolutionary cleaning solution designed to bring them back to life. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a spotless finish. Effortlessly tackle dirt and grime on a variety of materials. Formulated to be tough on stains but gentle on your shoes. It's perfect for delicate fabrics, smooth leather, and even sensitive suede and nubuck. Keep your white sneakers looking pristine with this powerful cleaner. It effectively removes yellowing and marks, restoring their original brightness. The included bottle and brush make cleaning simple and convenient. Achieve professional results right at home with minimal effort. Don't let dirt diminish the look of your beloved shoes. With this kit, you can easily maintain and restore them to their former glory. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive cleaning solution for a wide range of footwear materials. Its gentle yet effective formula ensures your shoes are cleaned without damage. If you have a diverse collection of sneakers and want a single product to handle them all, this is a great choice. What people say. It's easy to use, lifts dirt quickly, and makes my shoes look almost brand new again. I love that it doesn't require saturating the shoe in water and then scrubbing it and praying the suede dries nicely without water ring stains. This stuff is easy to use. The Pink Miracle formula is impressive. It works well on a range of stains and marks, leaving shoes looking fresh and vibrant. Even older, stubborn stains seem to lift with a bit of elbow grease and the right technique. Number 4. Markk Shoe Cleaning Kits. Discover the ultimate solution for keeping your footwear pristine. Our kits offer deep cleaning power for all your favorite shoes and sneakers. Choose from our essential or starter kits, designed to provide everything you need for a thorough clean. They are perfect for regular maintenance or tackling tougher stains. For those serious about shoe care, the starter box provides an even more comprehensive cleaning experience. It's your all-in-one solution for maintaining that fresh look. Our specially formulated cleaning solution works deep into the materials to lift dirt and grime effectively. You'll be amazed at the results. Don't let dirt dull your style. With these sets, you can easily restore your shoes and sneakers to their former glory. Keep them looking new, wear after wear. Using our products is straightforward and yields impressive results. Achieve professional-level cleaning right at home with minimal effort. What we like. Known for its effectiveness, this brand provides options for every cleaning need. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned sneakerhead, their kits deliver a deep clean. If you prioritize a well-established name in sneaker care and want flexibility in your cleaning arsenal, consider these options. What people say. It does an amazing job removing dirt and stains, even on shoes that looked impossible to clean. The solution is gentle but very effective, and it works well on different materials. The brush included is high quality and doesn't damage the shoes, which I really appreciate. Even the oldest pairs in my collection, which had started to show signs of wear and grime, came out looking fresh and vibrant after a round of cleaning with Markk. This cleaner gently but powerfully lifts away dirt and stains, restoring the original allure of my sneakers. Number 3. Reshoeven8r Revivex Boot Cleaner and Conditioner Kit. Keep your favorite footwear looking and performing its best. This kit is designed to clean and condition your boots effectively. Easily remove dirt and grime that can damage your boots over time. It gently lifts away impurities without stripping essential oils. Restore suppleness and prevent cracking with our specialized conditioner. It nourishes the material, ensuring long-lasting comfort and durability. Reactivate and enhance waterproofing to keep your feet dry in any condition. It creates a barrier against moisture while allowing breathability. Perfect for suede hiking boots, work boots, and even breathable footwear like Gore-Tex. Give them the care they deserve. Simply follow the easy steps to clean, condition, and protect. Your boots will feel renewed and ready for any adventure. What we like. Specifically designed for the rigors of outdoor activities, this cleaner not only cleans but also conditions and waterproofs. It's ideal for maintaining the performance of breathable footwear like Gore-Tex. If you're an avid hiker or outdoors person who needs to protect your boots, this is the product for you. What people say. The spray did make the suede slightly darker but certainly not where it was a problem, and there was no staining and the color remained constant on each shoe and they looked great. More importantly, right away I could feel a certain heavier quality to the suede in a good way that gave me hope I would get the effect I wanted. With both they got someone wet or got ice and other debris on them. I was amazed how with the rain they simply dried on their own, any spotting from the raindrops disappeared and I didn't even need to use the brush or eraser to bring the suede back to life. It has a nice firm brush to not only get initial dirt off of the shoes prior to cleaning but also fluff them up afterward. I also like the fact there is a water repellent spray included, though it goes pretty fast. Number 2. Reshoeven8r Shoe Cleaner Kit. Tired of dirty sneakers? We have the perfect solution to keep your favorite footwear looking brand new. Get ready to restore your shoes to their former glory. This comprehensive kit is designed to tackle dirt and grime on a variety of materials. From canvas and mesh to leather and suede, it handles it all with ease. Our specially formulated cleaner is tough on stains but gentle on your shoes. You can trust it to clean effectively without causing damage. Achieve professional level cleaning results right at home. Simply follow the easy steps and watch the magic happen. Don't let dirt ruin your style. With this kit, you can maintain the pristine condition of your sneakers, ensuring they always look their best. Looking for a gift for the sneaker enthusiast in your life? This cleaning kit is a thoughtful and practical present they'll truly appreciate. What we like. This comprehensive kit is engineered to tackle virtually any sneaker material, from delicate knits to durable leather. It provides a complete system for achieving professional level cleaning at home. If you're serious about maintaining your sneakers and want a thorough, all-encompassing cleaning experience, this kit is an excellent investment. What people say. The formula digs deep into every fabric, leather, or mesh, lifting away dirt without harming the material. The process is foolproof. Just apply the solution, scrub with the provided brush, and wipe clean. The brush is designed perfectly for getting into all those tricky spots, and the instructions are clear and simple. Whether it's my high-end leather sneakers or my delicate suede pairs, Reshoeven8r handles them all with ease. This product is a must-have for any sneakerhead with a diverse collection. It's an all-in-one solution that works on any material. Number 1. Markk Suede Cleaning Kit. Keep your favorite footwear looking its best with this essential cleaning kit. It's designed to tackle dirt and stains effectively. This set includes a powerful brush and a stain eraser. Together, they provide a comprehensive solution for all your shoe cleaning needs. Our formula is safe for a variety of materials, including leather, suede, nubuck, cotton, and knits. You can clean with confidence. Specifically designed for sneaker enthusiasts, this kit ensures your kicks stay pristine. It's the ideal tool for maintaining your collection. Don't let scuffs and stains ruin your shoes. This kit helps restore them to their former glory, protecting your investment. Achieve professional level cleaning results from the comfort of your home. It's simple to use for anyone. What we like. This specialized set is perfect for those who own delicate suede and nubuck footwear. The included stain eraser tackles tough marks, while the brush ensures proper care. If you have prized suede shoes and are looking for a targeted solution to keep them looking pristine, this kit is your go-to. What people say. The eraser does a good job. While not perfect, it removed most of the dark scrapes. Works awesome and was gentle on my shoes. The eraser was okay but the brush did the real magic. Suede eraser is large which makes cleaning super easy. The brush is a nice addition as well. Using this has kept them looking as new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.